Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this pretty defined twist out. So if you are interested in getting this look, then keep watching this video. I have about 12 plaits in the back of my head, and I made sure to have about 3 or 4 going straight down the middle, just so I don't have a long part in the back of my head that I can't get rid of. So now I'm starting off by spritzing the section with water, and then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to follow up with a curling cream and then some shea butter to moisturize the section. And I make sure to split the section open just to make sure every strand is actually getting moisturized and coated with product. After working the products through, I like to put a little bit of black castor oil on my edges in the front, just because I always lay them down with my hairstyles and just to keep my hair strong and healthy from all the manipulation that I do during the week. Right here I'm just adding products to the roots of my hair, just because I have noticed lately that my roots tend to be a little bit drier than my ends sometimes and a little bit tougher and stronger, so sometimes I'll add a little bit of water to the roots and a little bit more product just to work it through. And I'm also using this dimming brush just because it detangles my hair the best, and I'm trying to get a sleek plait just to make sure I get as much definition as I can. And now you just begin plaiting, and as you guys can see, I am plaiting tightly, and as the clip moves on, you guys will probably see that I will borrow a little piece of hair just because my hair is cut in layers and I don't have a blunt cut, so sometimes one piece may get a little bit thinner or a little bit shorter and I have to borrow from another piece of hair, if you guys understand what I'm saying. As you guys move down to the ends and it starts to get more harder to plait, you want to make sure you go ahead and coil those ends just to make sure that you have a little bit of curl at the end and not straight ends or whatever. So now I'm just going to repeat this process all over my head. And as you guys will see, my parts are not straight, and I don't use straight parts when I do twist outs or braid outs, just because when you get ready to do the takedown process, it is really hard to get those straight parts out of your head so that your hair can flow naturally. So right here I'm just going to combine the two smallest pieces, and go ahead and finish this braid off with a twist. Just because if the section is a little bit too small or too thin at the bottom, the braid will come out too defined and too small that it won't match the other curls in my hair. So I just finished that off with a twist. And right here I'm just putting a little bit of product on my edges, the conditioner and curling cream and shea butter, just to go ahead and smooth them down and train them for when I wear my hair the next couple of days. And this is my last section, so I'm just about to repeat the process again by detangling and then braiding because the section has already been moisturized. And if I haven't said this before, the brush also allows you to distribute the product evenly throughout your hair as well. So now I'm just taking my t-shirt that I used to dry my hair and wiping the extra product off my hair and actually squeezing some of the product in as well. Just because I do tend to have drier hair and sometimes squeezing the product in works better for me. And also taking off the extra product will allow your hair to dry faster, because I do have a little bit of some coarse hair, so sometimes it takes my hair about 2 days to dry. And when you take out your plaits or twists and your hair is not dry, it is really a failure. So I'm just trying to speed up the drying process by taking the extra product off and squeezing some of that product in to moisturize my hair further. So this is all for this video, you guys. I will tie my hair up before I go to bed. And as you will see in the last clip, after day 1 my hair isn't dry. So I will continue this video in a part 2. So stay tuned for the next video so you guys can watch my takedown process and also see me style my edges for my style for today. So see you guys then.